Hello, gorgeous. Welcome back. How are we doing today? I've got a couple of products that I got that I wanted to review and just kind of give you a little 411 on them. So that is going to be fun. I do also have another product that's not related to these two, and none of this is sponsored, but I gotta share this. This is so much fun. It's Pure Grace Body Mousse. So it comes out just like a mousse, and it's very squishy, but I don't know if you can hear it. It crinkles. Isn't that fun? Little ASMR for you. Put it on my legs. I've already covered the top half with other stuff, but and it feels amazing. And it's got kind of an alcohol in it, and so it's very cooling when it goes on the skin. And but it's Pure Grace is the clean smell of soap and water, the memory of fresh air woven into a set of crisp white cotton sheets, a cold, deep breath on a snowy winter night. I mean, and it goes on. It's fun. It is fun. I really like it. And I kind of use it sometimes at bedtime, smooth it on my legs. So just wanted to share that with you because just that crinkly sound, it's so much fun. So I'm going to work it off my hands because I can still hear it kind of popping. But so that was that. So that's fun. But on to more important things. I did do a couple of orders from Tattoo Junkie last week. They were having a 50% off sale, and I love me a sale. So I got the 2-pack. It was the black and white eyeliners, and I got these, they're like lip effects. Now I've opened the packages because, scissors. So I did open the packages, but I haven't tried them yet. And so I wanted to go ahead and do those. But first, let's do the eyeliners. Now, I did a look the other day that I was just playing with. And I posted it to my Facebook and on Instagram, maybe on Twitter. I don't remember. But it was a black and white eyeliner look, and it was a big hit. Now, when I went to the Walmarts, I got all sorts of compliments and just kind of, wow, that looks so cool. So thought I'd do that for you real quick. It's simple, it's easy. I do need my white pencil though. And I put that away. There she is. Ta-da! Because the Tattoo Junkie, the black liner is amazing. The white is highly disappointing. So it's just a felt tip pen liner. Not a whole lot. The black. Boom. So the white liner actually requires pencil to go over it to get it to pop. And I don't have my mirror, so I will be right back. Okie dokie. So I am back, and it's just a standard wing liner done twice. So there's the black, just simple. Give it a little more oomph because I like oomph. All right, so that's the black Tattoo Junkie liner, and it's a black felt tip pen liner. Now it's on par with pretty much all the other black liners I have. I'll just keep flinging it around. Maybe it'll go flying out of my hands. Smudge proof, budge proof test. Give it a shot, not all that gunk on my hands. But so there's the black, and then the white goes on the same way, but like I said, the white is just, it doesn't like to come out as well as the black. I even stored it upside down for several days. So let's give her a So yeah, the white is pretty much a fail. Yeah, the white is completely a fail, which is really disappointing because I've been looking for a good liquid white eyeliner for a while now. So we're gonna go with the pencil liner, and this is, oh, it's a Sephora brand. Okay. Yeah, eye pencil to go. So it's even on just a little mini. And the pencil is a little more problematic on these vintage eyes. So I'm going to come in real close and I'm going to use my monitor. In a second hand. And do the big bad no-no of pulling at my eyes. There we go. Get a nice white line on that. So it's simple, it's fun, it's dramatic. You can do it with other colors. I'm going to go over the black line a little bit because that pencil just kind of wanted to go everywhere. Kind of clean everything up just a smidge. So that's the Tattoo Junkie eyeliners. It's a 50-50. It's a fail pass, so it gets a C, I guess. But these are fun. I have a couple of these. So we've got the lip. See, I knew it was going to be a thing just to get them out of their packages. All right. So what it is it's a long-lasting smudge-proof lip color. It's called lip paint. So it's a stain. It's a liquid lip, but you take these fun metallics and go over them, and they've got metallics, they've got sparkle. So I'm going to test both of them here. And it's a very fine, loose glitter, essentially. And they do dry up pretty fast. So this one, the first one that we're doing is called Happy Hour. So it's a matte, and then we put the sparkle on top of it. Get a little brush here. And you just brush it on. And you get that metallic effect. So that's fun. Here. Let's try the other one. Then, let's see here. This one is called Pucker Up, and that is a vibrant, vibrant red. Look at her. So even if I don't end up using the metallic that comes in it, it's still going to be a gorgeous red, because I need another red lip. But better to have it and not need it. Need it and not have it. So yeah, and this stuff was super affordable. I got the full size in this, the trial size, it's a half, and the 2 eyeliners, well, technically the 1 eyeliner because the white one's getting thrown away. 50% off with shipping. I think the whole shebang was like $15. So Tattoo Junkie stuff is pretty reasonable. Brush off the brush. Oh my. Those are fun. I definitely like those. So there comes an occasion where I want more. I think I'll definitely get more of these. Absolutely. That red stuff does kind of get all over. Jeez, that's an understatement. Because it's just like a loose glitter, and there's no little shaker with the dots in it. So, all right, well, now that I've done the eyes, I'm going to throw on lashes and we'll be all set. So I'll be back, as Chuck Woolery used to say, in 2 and 2. There we go. So lashes are on. Lips are done. A little bit of a rockabilly hair thing going on today. So that was fun. I hope you enjoyed it. And with the, with the dual eyeliner colors, you can do it with anything. I've actually been doing it with gold on top for a couple of years. I just don't think, I guess it stands out very much, because it wasn't until I did the white that people went, oh my gosh. So I don't know, but I've enjoyed it. I've had fun. You guys, have a great rest of your day. Remember, subscribe, hit that little bell. Always, my social media stuff is downstairs. So give us a like, give us a look-see. We'll see you in the next one.